Well, traders, hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas, and we have a Fed interest rate decision ahead, which I'm going to talk about in a very short while. So starting with natural gas. Now, what to expect from here? Not much movement since yesterday. We are still inside the termination zone, or we can see we are just ranging sideways. Again, we are still bullish long term on a higher time frame above 50 EMA, and on weekly time frame we already got a cross with this big bullish engulfing candle. So that is why we are looking at conditions on 4 hour for our entries. Again, we are still not broken above yet on capital.com. If the price forms bullish engulfer inside this termination zone or a 382 candle, in that case that will be a buy signal. Again, we already had an entry condition yesterday on this platform right here on with this 382 candle till this termination zone. So that is why I'm looking at condition again on capital.com if we have that. If there is no condition, all we are waiting for the price to break above this little termination zone right here in yellow. As you can see, these numbers in blue if you want to mark these on your charts. Once we are broken and close above, the price will likely to shoot up and hit this level first, pull back and continue to push higher. So that's the move I'm expecting from natural gas. For now, just wait for the price to form a bullish engulfer. It will be good if it forms below these lows, a bullish engulfers, or a 382 candle. If we have that, we can keep a stop loss below, take profit. Can be 1 to 1 initially or to this termination zone here on capital.com data. Otherwise, just a break is a second way of entry. If you are not an aggressive trader, wait for the price to break above. In that case, we'll have a confirmation that price now is going to push higher. Here on EMEX, exactly the same. Now we are, like mentioned yesterday, nothing changed yet. We are just waiting for the price to break above this little anchor box. Once we are broken above, in that case we have a signal that price is now going to push higher. So we are not selling or we are not buying natural gas unless we get a clear condition. We are just accumulating. As you can see, it's just an accumulation phase, just a decision mode where it decides whether the price is going to push higher or lower. So that's why we're waiting for the price to break out of this accumulation, especially this little box. Once we have that, we are good to go long to this level of resistance. We can still get a retest of this zone, possible push up, but again, I won't be taking any entries unless I see a clear condition, which is a break above this high with a pullback and then a bullish engulfing pattern. Or Rwanda, simply I'm just looking at the break of this box. That's all I'm looking at, a little yellow box which is right at the numbers in blue. Once the price break and close above with a solid candle, that is an entry. Aggressive entry, stop loss can be below the right shoulder and take profit can be 1 to 1 or to this recent high. So it's totally up to you how you want to manage your trade. So that is all I'm looking at for my entries, just a break and close above this box. For now, we are still bullish long term, not selling as long as price is trading above the support area on all three platforms. Here on gold, like I mentioned yesterday, we are expecting some corrections, and as you can see, we're getting good correction. Now, Fed is about to decrease the interest rate decision. Now, if that happens, if they decrease that, you will see a spike up in gold and a spike down in dollar. Dollar will fall and gold will push higher. Dollar is still inside the level of resistance. Looking at this bearish engulfer, we have a technical signal here as well. So if the interest rate decision decreases, the price of dollar will fall and inversely the gold will push up. Now that doesn't mean the price will reverse from here. As long as price stays below 50 EMA, I'll be still looking at my bearish engulfing pattern below 50 EMA. If the push up is strong enough, sometime when the news happens, it's a temporary move, the price pushes up and then come back down with a wick, and that is not a confirmation. If that happens, we are still below 50 EMA. We are just going to look for the sell trades till this area. For now, let's see after the news how the next candle closed. If we are closed and broken above 50 EMA only, then we're going to start to look for the continuation trade. So let's see how it goes. For now, just bearish. Technically, we're just looking at the pullback bearish entries below 50 EMA. Here on silver, now we are broken below the zone. And like I mentioned yesterday, we can still look for a retest of this zone. That has been happening right here. As you can see, these numbers in blue. So if the interest rate decision came up negative, we have a technical signal that we are now in the level of resistance in a selling area. Price can still push up. If we have a bearish engulfer here, we're going to go short. If we have broken above 50 EMA only, then we have a change in direction from sell to buy. For now, just bearish trades. We are also getting a possible head and shoulder pattern. Not completed yet, but once it's completed, I'm going to keep you guys informed as well. For now, just look for the bearish pullback trades at this point. Lastly, we have gold. Gold is now still ranging sideways. Now, I already took my entry right here and right here. That was aggressive entry. I've not taken that, but I've taken these two. I'm just waiting for the price to break above my anchor, which is right here, 73.14, and close. Once that happens, we are good to go long. I'm not selling looking at this bearish engulfer. That's just a range for me. It's not a bearish signal. For me, the bearish signal will only happen once the price will break and close below these lows followed by the pullback. So for now, just wait for the breakout above for the buy confirmation or breakout below for the sell confirmation. For now, expect some range, but we are above 50 EMA. We have a bullish pressure and we have a likely chance the price is gonna push higher. Looking at this bullish engulfer as well, we have a good bullish pressure, but a zone must be broken to take your buy entries followed by buying conditions. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you got a value. If just give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.